Alright boys, what is good? So I'm back with another live trade. This one's going to be a little bit different because I'm actually in two positions right now, in two different setups. It's pretty late right now and I've been in these trades for a minute, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to stream it. Not 100% sure, the trades might have already hit, who knows. I doubt it because TP on, well, this trade for example, is still another 74 pips. So with a little bit of consolidation, probably won't hit by the morning. So yeah, I might be able to get a stream out, you feel me? But yeah, let me just get straight into explaining what these setups are. So this one's a little bit different. As you can see, this zone down here looks massive, and it also, you can't see the zone. And also my entry looks really weird. That's because it is. But yeah, let me quickly show you what the zone is. So it is far back. As you can see, it is far. This is the zone right here. The liquidity is down here. And this is the high that we broke to make it valid. And we took a lot of consolidation before coming down to the zone. But if we look into the higher time frames, you can clearly see that we're bullish. And this just looks like a perfect area to go bullish from. This is just basic market structure really. Obviously we could go down, fill in the rest of this gap, maybe to this demand. However, on the 30-minute, this looks like a perfect place to reject. Now, unfortunately, entry is actually at 1 AM, so I didn't get the original entry. So I actually entered a very small position when it came back down here into this, I guess, normal demand zone, but that wasn't really the reason. That was just because it's an alright entry, and I put stop below here. In hindsight, that was a bit dumb. I guess I wanted a better risk reward because, yeah, but this was dumb because the trade would still be valid if it comes down to here. But yeah, it's looking like it was fine anyway, you feel me? We're going up. I doubt it will come back down. But yeah, that's not bad. If we come onto here, we can see that I am in $200 profit on this. I risked 0.25% because of my late entry. And on top of that, I also risked 0.25 on the next setup. And that's because it's not 100% setup. It's not an A+ setup, you know. But yeah, this trade, I'm currently aiming for a 1 to 4. And that's because of this supply right here. However, I wouldn't take this supply. One sec, my camera's in the way. This is a liquidity supply zone right here. As you can see, we created liquidity here, broke the low. But yeah, I wouldn't take this due to trend, but it is definitely a worry. However, this could definitely go up for a potential max TP of 1 to 10, who knows. I wouldn't be surprised at all, to be honest, but I might be content with a 1 to 4 and see if it creates any other setups on the way, potentially even up to just this supply zone just over here. But yeah, we'll see. We've got a while to go. I'll keep you updated on, you know, what I'm doing. Obviously, this is a live trading video, but since we're on the 30-minute, it's going to take a minute. It's going to take a while. But if it hits this TP, then that's going to be 1% on the account on this trade, assuming that I actually don't move the TP. And on the next trade right here, which I haven't even gone through yet, I'm just aiming for the normal 1 to 3. The reason that this trade isn't 100% in my opinion is because we have this zone right below it. We could definitely just fake out and go to this zone because this is another liquidity zone. As you can see, we have this demand that we're currently in that could get faked out and come down to this zone. But the liquidity for this trade, obviously right here, and we did break the high, which made this valid. And market structure for this right now is very consolidatory. However, you have to say we're bullish. Like, I mean, yeah, we're obviously bullish. But yeah, we are actually floating in profit in both of these trades. Going back to here, yeah, 0.25% on both of them. That's why I actually wasn't going to originally record a live trade on this, but I thought I might as well, especially since I'm in two positions, so it's 0.5% risk overall. But yeah, I want to go back to risking 1% per trade anyway. It's just these setups. The first one, I entered late. Second one, it's not 100% setup, so I'm not going to be dumb and risk 1% on both of them. However, I would have risked 1% on that GJ if I got a good entry. So that's quite unfortunate. But yeah, let's get it. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's see where this trade takes us. Hopefully I'll be able to get streaming, get some clips from that. But yeah, that's all, man. See you tomorrow. All right, what's good? I've returned. So I've got good news and I've got bad news. Let me go through the bad news first, actually, because you know, that's just how we do around here. So UJ actually stopped out. However, I'm going to consider there to be good news as part of this as well, even though I wasn't a part of it, because basically this gave the perfect re-entry. Like literally it came straight back into the zone. You just re-entered right here. Literally another, that's actually a better risk reward, and it's looking like it's about to hit the nearly 1 to 4. But unfortunately this was at 1 AM. I was asleep, so I did not get this re-entry. But what are you gonna do about it? That was a 0.25% risk trade. Not really too mad about it. Then the good news is that GJ is slowly climbing up. What risk reward have we gotten to so far? Gotten to a 1 to 2.5. It's going up slow. It's going up very slow. Let's hope it doesn't do one of these again, because that is horrible. Hopefully it will just slowly do this little uptrend until we get to the top and we can hit this full potentially 1 to 8. Unfortunately, since I'm risking low, don't know if there's any point in going for the TP1 or anything, like maybe at these highs, because if I do take partials at TP1, it's literally going to be what, 0.125%. Is there even any point? Might as well just go for full 1 to 8 for the entire thing. Maybe I'll see. I'm actually not sure what I'm going to do yet. However, I'm about to stream, get that going, you feel me? And hopefully I see some of you there. Obviously I'm not about to wait out this whole trade on stream. This might take a week. This is 150 pips more that I'd need to hit. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill and yeah, get it going, man. Yeah, I'll see you later, maybe tomorrow, maybe if I take another trade. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you later. Peace. Alright, and I'm back again. I just wanted to quickly show that UJ actually hit the 1 to 3 on the re-entry. Kind of annoying that I didn't manage to get in because I was asleep. However, GJ, it's looking pretty good. GJ is looking pretty good. TP1 is hit. However, I don't know what to do at TP1 because I'm risking so low. I'm only risking 0.25%. I may not even take anything out. If we come onto here, you can see profit is 1,000 US dollars, which is equal to a 1 to 4 because I am risking 0.25%. And I think I might keep holding, but I shall see. I can partial close. Or I might partial close like 30% to be fair. So what? 0.5 partial close. I've just locked in 33% profit basically. That's quite nice. And I'm gonna let the rest of this run. That was my first time doing any partial closing on this. If we can get back up to 1,000 again, whilst I've just locked in that 300 or whatever, that would be very good. If we can hit the full 128 as shown on TradingView, which is up at this little swing here, that would be very nice, especially since we have this candle going right now. It looks like it could be possible because we've got some momentum. Although I may still not hold till full TP either way because I'm not up like a massive buffer on the month. So it's a bit risky to just like, you know, be risking that. But I have locked in some profits now, very small amount of it. And if this were to come all the way down, I would close a break even. But between the two trades that I took, UJ included, the small loss that I took on that, we're still up from these two trades. And that's assuming this would go to break even now. But we still have another $700 floating. So let's see what can happen, man. Hopefully we can push a little bit further up, maybe just up to this high here. That would be very nice. I may close full there, close to a 1 to 6. Yeah, in fact, that might be my new TP. It's basically a 1 to 6. Since I'm risking pretty low, I'll happily take a 1 to 6 instead of the full TP because risking an extra 2 RR, I'm only risking 0.25%. That's an extra 0.5%, which is obviously very good, but I think it might be worth just closing around these highs here for me. Yeah, all right, okay, I have my new TP in place just at this high. Honestly, that's just helped my psychology. And yeah, I'll get back to you if this hits TP or goes to break even. So yeah, see you in a bit. I feel like the lighting has gradually gotten brighter throughout this video. Yeah, anyway, TP was hit. We hit a 1 to 6. If you were in the stream, then you know I was actually aiming for the 1 to 8. Actually, did I say it in the last recording? Probably. But yeah, I ended up going for a 1 to 6 at these highs just because I was risking only 0.25%. Aiming for that extra 2 RR felt a little bit unnecessary considering I'd already hit the 1 to 6 and it would only be an extra 0.5%. But yeah, man, going back to the account, we are, ignore the running position, but we are currently at 1.15k, so we're about 1.5% in profit on the account. But yeah, that's pretty good profit for the fact that I'm risking 0.25%. That's pretty damn good. But once again, bro, just look at this trade. Seriously, just look at this trade. This is 130 pips on GJ. 130 pips. 1 to 6. I never hit a 1 to 6 in my life. Like, do you know how crazy that is? I don't really have much else to say. I've already broken down the trade and everything. I think I'm gonna call it a day there. And now I need to edit this video, which will probably take a while because hey, these 30-minute setups do take a minute, I won't lie. But yeah, that's about it for the video. I wish you all an amazing day and thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. You feel me? Follow me on Instagram, join the Discord. And yeah, I'll see you boys soon. Peace.